Hello traders, this is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me for another video today. Yesterday you saw me get my butt kicked trying to trade the Euro USD on a 15-minute time frame. So last night I reverted back to my traditional way of trading, and I'm going to share that with you today. It is a better trade setup. However, I do not trade this on Friday, so I want to put that warning out there. I do have different trading strategies for different market moves, but if this is a strategy that you can add to your playbook, then hopefully it will work out for you. Now, once the market closes, and this is the actual charts I used from last night, once the market closes, I identify my resistance level and I identify my support level. Once I've marked that, I fall to my 4-hour chart. If I have strength at the close of the market, then what I'm looking for are signs of weakness to that strength. Once I get that weakness, then what I want is a confirmation signal. A lot of people will enter that on the low, the break of the low of that candle. What I generally do, honestly, is I enter on the break of the close. Now, you can enter any way you want. Let me qualify the way I enter the market so that I don't confuse you. You see that I identified my resistance and support from the previous day. I also want to know how far price has gone up or down. If prices move 30 pips or so and I'm starting to get a reversal, then chances are, unless it's close to my resistance level, I'm not going to take it. So if I see that price has moved a significant amount, that's something that I want to take into consideration when I enter the market. If it has moved enough, then I will enter the market, or I'm looking to enter the market with a significant move. Once I get the confirmation, then I go ahead and jump in and take it, which is what I did last night. And I shorted this last night after the market closed, but since I was going against a major trend, once I started seeing signs of strength, I went ahead, grabbed my nice profit, and got out of there. Now, I continued to follow the market into this morning. I was watching movies and that kind of thing, so I'm not sitting up watching the chart the whole time. I'm way too lazy for that. Once you get a valid reversal candle, here you have a hammer. This is your confirmation. Price is falling nicely here, and you already know that you are in a bullish market. So at that point, you want to go long, and again, this is on the hourly chart. Now today, I'm going to go back to the daily chart quickly. Today I went ahead and got out before my take profit level. My original take profit level was about 5 pips below the high of yesterday, but when I got up and I noticed that I wasn't getting a whole lot of action here, I had a really nice profit, so I went ahead and took it. Now, I traded this short last night and long this morning, but I also traded the USD JPY, and I'm going to show you that trade because I did that in the opposite way. Now, that is my USD JPY daily chart. You see again that I identified my resistance and my support. Fell down to the 4-hour time frame, and what I noticed last night is I had a lot of strength in that candle already. So I had strength in that candle. I was looking for an opportunity to short that. Let's go to the hourly time frame. I was looking for an opportunity to short that. I got the opportunity to short it, and I did short that. But while I was sleeping, I got a bounce and a retracement up. But the good thing is price fell back down, and I was able to close out with a nice profit today. So that's the way I trade. Every day I identify my resistance, my support level from the previous day before. That is what I'll do again tonight to get in on at least one good trade before tomorrow. Now, tomorrow I trade a smaller time frame, so please keep that in mind. But every day I identify my resistance and support levels. I go to my 4-hour chart to see if I'm showing strength or weakness. If I'm showing weakness, then I look for an opportunity to go long. If I am showing strength, then I look for the opportunity to go short. Did I say that right? If I'm showing weakness, I look for an opportunity to go long. And if I'm showing strength, then I look for an opportunity to go short. Practice, drill, and rehearse. You've noticed that I don't have any indicators or oscillators. You are welcome to use that. I just know for the most part, because I've traded for a while, every day I'm going to get a move up and a move down, and I just try to capitalize on those moves. Once I put in my trade, I'm done with it. And the reason for that is because if I sit up and watch my trade, if I get into profit, say 350 bucks, and my profit target is 850, then generally I'll get itchy and I'll snatch that money off the table. So I generally end up cheating myself out of money once I'm watching the market. I'll check on it every now and then, but I generally put in a trade during the European market as well, and then I just go to bed. Traders, have a killer trading week. Please remember to practice these strategies on your demo account. Practice, drill, and rehearse. That's how you become good. That's how you recognize patterns in the market. Have a killer trading week, and don't forget to share something good with someone you love today.